Do you constantly question your own thoughts, your own emotions, your own experiences as if they are not true? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to trust yourself again. When you have spent many years doubting yourself, it becomes hard to break out of that pattern without becoming aware of why it's all happening within you. And journaling becomes a place where your thoughts and your experiences can exist without judgment. So instead of trying to hurt yourself for feeling this way, instead of trying to hate yourself for doubting yourself, you can slowly start to become curious about your experiences first, because you're not broken. You don't have to hate yourself for being this way. Start with the facts before interpreting the situation. Simply write down what happened. Ask yourself what was being said, what was being talked about, what did you observe, what happened before this experience, what happened afterward, what emotions came up for you. Writing helps separate what you observed from what someone else later told you happened. Capture your first experience. Before your memory becomes clouded by somebody else's opinions, write about it. Ask yourself, what did you initially think? What did your intuition notice? What didn't you feel? What made you uncomfortable? Your journaling preserves your perspective before self doubt takes over. Notice when you begin doubting yourself. As you continue writing, become curious. At what point did you stop trusting your own experiences? What made you question yourself? Did someone tell you your feelings were wrong? Did you begin believing their version more than your own? Writing helps you recognize exactly where self doubt begins. Look for recurring patterns. Over time, your journal becomes a record of your experiences. Take a look at your previous journaling entries and ask yourself, have you experienced this situation again? Do you keep questioning yourself after interacting with certain people? Does the same conversations leave you confused? Are you noticing the patterns repeating? Patterns become much easier to recognize when they are written down over time. Compare your observations. One powerful practice is reading previous journaling entries. What did you notice in the past week or months ago? Did you dismiss your own intuition then? Were your earlier observations accurate? What kept repeating? Sometimes your journal reminds you that your instincts noticed something long before your mind accepted it. Reconnect with your own voice. Ask yourself, if you trust your own experiences, what would you believe? What feels true to you right now? What boundaries would you set if you believed in your own observations? What decisions feel more aligned with what you consistently noticed? Journaling doesn't tell you what to believe, it gives you a consistent place to record your own thoughts, experiences, and observations. Over time, reading your own words helps rebuild something that may have been lost. Trust in your own perception instead of consistently doubting yourself. And the question that helps you reconnect with your own inner wisdom is, what have you consistently observed? You don't have to keep questioning yourself because someone else made you doubt your own reality. So join my 12-week trauma healing program and begin rebuilding the trust you have lost in yourself. Understand how gaslighting has affected your thoughts and emotions. Rebuild self trust and learn to believe in your own emotions and intuition again. Stop second guessing yourself and make decisions with confidence. Recognize manipulation, set healthy boundaries, and protect your peace. Heal any shame, any confusion, and self blame while creating healthier relationships. You deserve to trust yourself again and live with confidence and not confusion. The link to join is in the description and pinned comment. I'd be honored to support you on your healing journey.